Today I will tell you about King Wen. Walnut tree pruning. Let's take this tree as an example. First of all, let me tell you about the Wenwang walnut tree. The two best times to prune. The first time period, after we pick the walnut tree, about half a month before the leaves fall. Trimming is more appropriate. Another time period, just after the walnut tree sprouts, the buds will grow to about 5 or 6 centimeters and then be pruned. More suitable. Why are these two times to trim? Because of the branches of our walnut tree belongs to the inner cavity. Tumors easily form, especially in the winter. It is not suitable to trim like this time period. The temperature is still below 0. After you cut the walnut tree, he will form a tumor. After the tumor, he will form shrinkage strips. After the branches and leaves he maintain float out, branch will be smoked to death. So when you prune the walnut tree, be sure to pay attention to the time and the solar term. What's more, let's take this tree as an example. The basic principle of pruning the yellow river trees is stay when you have time. Time to go again. Removal of back fat and overlapping fat. Cross the typo. Let's take a look at this. Because he has more branches. In fact, there is no need for this branch to stay. I sprang up on June 28th last year. Then it's actually equivalent to raising horses. Leave him a year. Because of these branches above you, when it comes to pulling branches during the spring festival, you can pull these out. He is free here. Then just remove this. Pull these branches down for him. Let's take a look at this tree. The more obvious feature is that there are more branches. Did you see those two branches in his cavity? This belongs to the soil long branch when we prune in the spring. To remove these two branches from it. Soaring rush. If you don't remove the sky cannon, he will emphasize this nutrient of this juice. Light pruning will be formed. Article does not result in such an effect. Did you see that branch? Charging cannon, he will only compete for the nutrients on this one. Will not form fruiting branches. So these two branches must be removed. The two branches above. Let's follow that to the strong and the weak. In principle, this branch should be removed from it. Pull this branch down. Pull this branch down. Then this branch and this branch, just because he has no room for this one. So remove this branch from it as well. Pull this branch down. That branch over there. If we give it this branch this year, in the case of removing, in fact, we don't need to go to that branch because it has room to remove this after. Call him here. Squeeze down. After he comes down, he will have room to... That's going to be the top hat. Therefore, we are committed to. Go when you have to. If you can leave room, leave it to him. Give him. It's okay to straighten it.